wonderful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Super! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Great! That's awesome! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Woohoo! Yeah! Love that! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Great! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... The rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! We're always happy to help. Choose a new toy.